With RSS feed sync integration, you can instantly add content published from your favorite RSS feeds to your CoSchedule marketing calendar. Get complete visibility of content published from any RSS feed on your calendar, including blog posts from WordPress, Squarespace, or Weebly, podcasts, events, and more. Simply add any RSS feed URL to your RSS feed sync integration settings. To organize these projects on your calendar, customize your RSS feed settings to automatically apply key project details on import, including project type and color label. You can even promote any RSS content on social media as it publishes by attaching a custom social template to any feed. Want to review your social messages before they publish? Simply set your project status to draft in Settings 2. If you're a CoSchedule Marketing Suite user, apply a custom project template to any RSS feed to add templates, tasks, attachments, and other key details saved in your template to your new RSS feed content. As the RSS feed publishes new content, new projects will sync to your calendar, including a link to the live post. Instantly add content from your favorite RSS feeds to your CoSchedule calendar to get total visibility into all the content you share and promote. To get started, enable your RSS feed sync on your CoSchedule calendar.